Welcome to the Spice Fairy. I'm glad to have you in my kitchen. My name is Nira, but some of you may know me as Chef Alora. Either way, I'm thrilled to be back sharing my passion for food, flavor, and fun with all of you. Here on the Spice Fairy, where we keep flavor at your fingertips, you'll find creative recipes, cooking tips, and a little kitchen magic to inspire your culinary adventures. Whether you're here just to perfect a new dish or to enjoy some flavorful entertainment, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. And be sure to visit my website for exclusive recipes and more culinary inspiration. Let's make magic happen in the kitchen. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Spice Fairy. I'm going to show you all how to make this delicious pot roast. We're going to start with making sure we have clean meat. So wash the meat off and we will be tenderizing it. I just take a knife and stab it. Honestly, it's fun and one of my favorite things to do to tenderize. And after you've stabbed it on one side, make sure that you turn it over to make sure you stab it equally on the other side for proper tenderization purposes. After you've properly tenderized the meat, we are going to add some avocado oil to it, about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth, and season it up with some rosemary, thyme, salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder that I have all mixed together. There's also parsley in this mix. I forgot to say that. But make sure you are massaging the seasonings into the meat. That's also helping with the tenderization process and also with the flavor because, you know, it's getting into the holes that you put into the meat. My next step is searing the meat inside of my quick cooker. It's a Pampered Chef quick cooker. It's much like the Instapot. And after I've seared the meat on all sides, I'm adding in garlic, red bell pepper, red onion, and letting that sweat out in there to pick up all that bond that's at the bottom of the pan. That's all flavor from cooking and searing the meat. I deglaze the pot with red wine and Worcestershire sauce, and the red wine that I used was on the drier side, so not too sweet. And then you add the pot roast back to the pan so that it can be covered in about 4 cups of beef stock and cooked under pressure for approximately 2 hours. And all the ingredients and the recipe, all the how-to is going to be in the description box below. After 2 hours, you have pot roast that is just literally falling apart. It was actually kind of hard to get back out of the pot. So I separate all of the meat out and I shredded it. Now's a perfect time to do a taste test if you're going to adjust any of the seasonings. But honestly, I did not change a thing at this point. It was really perfect. I adjusted seasoning when it came down to making the gravy. To make the gravy, I took the liquid from the quick cooker and I put it into a pot on the stove. I took off about a good layer of fat from the top because I didn't want it to be super fatty. And I added this Lipton onion mushroom soup mix. You have to add that or one of them, one of those Lipton packets. Okay, and add it to it. And it really just brings everything together perfectly for the best gravy. That was the only flavor adjustment I did. The packet allows the gravy to thicken while also adding a depth of flavor. So once it was all done, I just added that gravy right back onto the pot roast, and it was really time to eat. Trying to, make food that's enjoyable, guys. That's all we here for. Little love on the Sunday evening.
We should do this right.
I know. One time a month is not gonna be enough.
We're gonna start at once a month. But how's the bread?
Is it bread? Is it okay? The bread passed the bread test.
It's soft. It's soft.
Okay. We're gonna work on my bread making skills. But if it's passing, it's passing.
It's passing.
Okay.